Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Komawan Yana Saputra with NPM 224111065 from Teknokrat Indonesia University. Here I will explain the material about core values and ethics in organization change. Next to the video. Introduction. Change is something that cannot be avoided in organization life. Every organization that has allergy or smile with at some point undergo transformation in response to the dynamic of the external environment, such as technology deployment, market competition, regularly change to customer demands, or because of internal needs to improve efficiency, innovation, and competitiveness. However, not all change goes smooth. Many organizations fail to change because they ignore fundamental aspects such as core value and ethics. Core value and ethics are not just information for complementary things, but important foundation that and undermine the long-term such as transformation process. Definition of core values and ethics. Core values are the fundamental principles or beliefs on which an organization identity, behavior, and culture and based. These values reflect what the organization considers important, such as honesty, responsibility, cooperation, innovation, service, and sustainability. Core values not only service as internal organization, but also help the organization image in the eyes of the public. In the content of organization change, core values as compass and keeps all forms of adjustment in deal with the organization. Individual and long-term goals mean will organizational ethics is a set of more principles than for in association and division of individuals and group with the organization. This include aspect of injustice, ethics include aspect of injustice, transparency, honesty, respect for human rights, and social responsibility in organizational change. Ethics become very important to ensure that the change process is carried out in a way that is fair, respect all periods, and ways to harm the collection interests. Next, the importance of core values in organizational change. When an organization decides to change, that her right understanding, adapting the new technology or change business strategy, will be sought in various aspects, especially in the work culture. This is where the importance of core values come in. Core values maintain consistency and continuity of organizational direction in the means of understanding. They serve in the basic for making the right decision and unifying employee impression and strengthening a sense of community with strong values. Organization can reduce resistance of change because employees feel then the change remain rooted in their shared values. Core values also play an important role in maintaining the organization credibility in the eyes of customers and partners as they see then despite change the organization remain consistent in its purpose and responsibility. Core values and maintain consistency and continuity of organization direction in the midst of understanding. This in the process of organizational change. Organizational change of that brings significant impacts, but in terms of interpersonal and relationship between individuals in the process, ethics become very important to ensure that change take place in the fair, transparent, and dignified manner. Ethics demand the management not only focus on the end result of efficiency, but also pay attention to the process and its impacts on the people involved. Ethical principles such as honesty in conveying the reason for change, fairness in the distribution of the new roles, and responsibility in managing from ethics demand of the management not only focus on the results of efficiency, but also pay attention to the process and its impact on people influence. Ethics principles such as honesty in conveying the reason for change, fairness in the distribution of new roles and responsibilities, and emerging from the employees should be key guidelines. For example, then here is a reduction in work process should be understood with respect for the dignity of employees, purple competition, and open communication. Ethics also require leaders to be accountable for their decisions and to be ready to listen to the voice and input of all affected parties. Strategies for introducing values and ethics in change. For core values and ethics to truly become part of the change process, organization need to design clear and systematic strategies. The first step is to ensure that leaders are role models in applying values and ethical principles to strong and more leadership will influence the entire organization. Next, the organization need to good training, socialization, and open communication to ensure that all members understand and support the values. The organization need to induce training, socialization, organization, and open communication to ensure that all members understand and support the values. Policy and procedures should also be developed based on moral principles that are fair and transparent. In addition, it's important influence employer and stakeholder in the change process so that they feel heard and fed. Through the monitoring and evaluation process are also necessary to measure and tend to with values and ethics are applied in practice and to take corrective action when deviation occur. In addition, conflicts of interest, non-employee leadership, and lack of open communication can further exacerbate the decision. Therefore, it's take communication and further decision. Therefore, it's take a strong commitment from our organizational leader to not only simply promote values and ethics, but to actually integrate them in for every policy and action during the change process. Conclusion: core values and ethics are essential components that should not be overlooked in the process of organization change, admins, and pursue to change equity and efficiently. Organizations that are able to maintain their values and moral principles will a strong foundation ensure survive and grow. Sustainability values and ethics guide organization to not only focus on results but also on human and responsible process. By uploading both, the organization can create information that is not only technical successful but also accepted and supported by all stakeholders in the long run. Is what process great organization can survive from then in only grow to moment.